Let's take a simple circuit. One real cell means this thing. One EMF and one its own internal resistance small r. Real cell. ठीक है. A real cell is connected to an external resistance R, capital R. The symbol for internal resistance small r. ठीक है. What is the power dissipated across resistor R? I square R. Now, I'm interested in something. Hold on. If you ask me, I can find everything out. No problem. What is I value equal to? I value is equal to E by R plus R. Do you agree with this thing or not? Okay. PR. What is PR? Power across capital R resistance is equal to E square capital R upon R plus R whole square. Check it. Check. हाँ, ठीक है. Okay. If I ask you, how much is the power wasted by just छोटू internal resistance? I square small r? Yeah. So E square small r upon R plus R whole square. Take your time. Yeah, okay. ठीक है. What is the power across the battery? Across the battery? Yeah. Okay. Across the battery is EI. Yeah. EI. E into I is E square upon R plus R. Check. I still didn't get what are you arriving at. What I'm arriving at is add P capital R and P small r. Come on, add it. Arey, add it. Okay. P capital R plus P small r. So, sir, E square upon R plus R whole square is common. Okay. And this cancels with this. Cha. Is it P? Yes. Is it magic? No. So obvious. Who is the load? The total resistance is the load. Who is the source? Battery is the source. Energy conservation hoga na. So total power supplied by the only that cell part, E part. And who are the wasters? Who are the providers? Only that cell part is the provider. Ideal part is the provider. Who's the waster? Internal resistance is the waster, consumer. And the external resistance is the consumer. Take it out. But right now the question was, what is the power dissipated across external resistance? Only external की बात करते हैं. This is an afterthought. ठीक है. I square capital R, correct? That is E square capital R upon R plus R whole square, or E by R plus R whole square times capital R, because it's I square R. Perfect, sir. Now, what I want is, how does this power vary with R? How does this power vary with R? The variation is going to reach a cusp somewhere. There is a variable in numerator. There is a variable in denominator. So it's not that simple. I know one thing for sure, that eventually who will win? Okay, you want ऐसे कर लो इसको. This is E square R upon R plus R whole square. Do you agree at very high value of R, when R tends to infinity? When R tends to infinity, one thing is for sure, square of a very big number will win, na? So eventually it will lead up to 0. I know this thing. So if I draw the graph, the graph is going to be asymptotic. Asymptotically converging to the x-axis, which is the resistance. But where is the cusp? That is clear. Where is the cusp? How do we do that? Let's say cell remains the same. Okay. Let's say cell remains the same. The cell remains the same. That means whose variable? R is variable. That means this P is a function of cap R. Correct. Okay. So then can I find out dP by dr? Because at R maximum, this will be 0. Correct. So dP by dr will be d by dr of E square R upon R plus R whole square. Can I say F dash G? Yes, sir. So F dash G says E square, right, Kx R plus R whole square, F dash G minus Fg dash F E square R G dash R plus R whole square is nothing but 2R plus R. Okay. And be smart now. Denominator square. Who cares? Because this is going to be 0 for R max. Correct. If you do that, you get okay. Or, sir, E square common, sir? Yeah. Sir, R plus R also common, sir? R plus R minus 2R is equal to 0. That's what I'm getting, sir. Now, these two can be cancelled. Don't be naive. I'm not cancelling it. I'm dividing by this number because I know they can't be 0. Okay. So what I'm getting is that at P max, at the maximum power dissipation, what I get is that R is equal to R. Oh ho, acha. What is P? Power dissipated across an external resistance. Now imagine a scenario. Let's say you have a battery. It has its own EMF inside and its own internal resistance, and it's in a dabba. It's usually in a dabba. Now you can't change the dabba. You can't change the box. Let's say Bahar, all of you must have gone into the labs now. There's a rheostat. Remember rheostat? So rheostat can control the resistance externally. You can control. So what if capital E, calligraphic E is constant? What if small r is constant but capital R is variable? And you are changing it and seeing what is happening. Where will the maximum power across that rheostat come? When external value of resistor matches the internal value of cell resistance. Areva. And what is this value of P max? Pray tell. Very simple, Baba. This P max will be equal to what? E square RR. E square upon R plus R whole square. No. So if I put R, E square by 4R. Get it. So I'll repeat. Maximum power dissipated across a variable external resistor is when that external resistance matches internal resistance. Point number 1. And when this happens, the value of this maximum power is equal to E square by 4R in terms of constant parameters. And if you want in a much better way, here is the better part. Check. If I ask you, what is currently, answer very carefully. If I ask you, what is the power dissipation across the internal resistance right now? Yeah, I'll give you 1 full minute for it. I'm smiling mischievously. There is something up my sleeve. Something funny. I'll ask again. Whose power is this? This is power across R, na? PR. So if I ask you, what is the power across small r right now? I'm curious, Baba. I'm curious. What is the power across small r right now? Sir, we have to calculate? Really? Really you have to calculate? What's the formula for power? I square r. Are they both sharing the same I? Yes. Isn't at this instant r equal to r? Oh, okay, sir. So you are saying even this will be e square by 4r. Duh.